Tsoga. Now wake up. We need to talk.
What are you baby? I want to always go down and go robale.
I'll go tsoge. You need to talk.
No. I'm police. I'm talking like them. I have a go get the range. Okay, bon, I'm up. But I can't recover how long to eating the phone.
No, they have to be on. I want to see your lying face.
What?
What else are you going to spring up on me like you did, Kohamalaudi? That you have 3 children and you're a divorcee? What else is there?
Baby, please. I apologize. I never thought this thing would be a big deal.
Oh, so in this apartment, everyone must have their own spoons and plates. Is that right?
Yeah,
we must have double of everything. So we live together, but we don't share a life.
No, why?
That's what this means, huh?
My baby, why you do that thing simple? Like, why are you simplifying it like that?
So what is this out of community of property thing that you opted for without discussing with me first?
Okay, baby one. I won't get the real post of assuming that you know about it.
Yes, we talked about it, but that was about other people. I never imagined that you, of all people, given what we've been through with my family not liking you and me sticking with you, choosing you, protecting you, where now you just feel like you don't want to share your life with me.
Baby, I thought you were understanding and that this would not be a problem. And clearly
your mind is made up. Mine is also made up. I'm not going through with this wedding.
Baby,
I am calling it off.
No, you can't do that. You can't do that. And white wedding is just a celebration. Hell, we're already married.
But you can still go change this marriage regime thing to end community of property again. I heard that you can do that.
Okay, Bon. You can find out how long you should have been married before you can change. And if this thing makes you unhappy, I'm more than happy to cancel it.
Good. And what else are you going to surprise me with?
Nothing else.
I hope so.
Baby, this arrangement because of marrying in community of property. Imagine us now around. Business catering. And why is it risk business? The never had business, but to be able to acquire. Is that even sensible, baby?
But why would you get yourself into so much debt to the point of repossession?
Baby, things happen. I've seen people left with nothing because of divorce, repossessions, and other things. And then everything, like koloi and other assets. At least and we won't lose everything because major assets will be in your name.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. Like, I trust you that much. Everything is in your name.
Oh, babe. But why didn't you just say that before we went to Malawi? Okay. I'm so sorry for doubting you. This really threw me off.
It's okay. Come here. Please get some sleep. We have so much to do tomorrow.
Tao? I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
I was really confused. I guess I just should have asked you in a calm manner in order to understand. Not fighting and making accusations. So I apologize.
It's fine. I got you. And even doubt, please. Next time, like, I want to okay?
Okay, babe.
Yeah. Okay, wanna get some sleep. It's 3:30 in the morning.
Alright.
Drama again. Why mela hala mo dikubo mo suba dipone so you can start a fight. Oh, and another thing, baby. Something we've spoken about before. No hurtful words towards each other.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Sure.
Nora. Na ke ba timuruto wa bone go tengwisile go se go hatsa lenyalo la ngwanake. Spirit sa me ga se tsamaisane le ene ya la sente wa itse.
oho nna ke bona itshiametse fela mosadi wa gagwe re ne re na le ene ga go bomme ke ena na a se go fatsa tiro. I don't know, I think they are fine. O ra yang kante?
Ao. Go siame.
Ebile tsana mo ntung tlhammarane wa go bitsa.
Hello, Auntie. How are you?
Hela tlhamma. Kante jaanong gate go a bo go diragala eng?
Kaeng?
Le dira eng kante wena le Theo?
Kaeng, Auntie?
Hela, gate ke lona helane le bua dilo tse di sa tshwaneng le tsa ba bang go ga molaodi.
Ma?
Ore ma, out of 15 couples ba ne ba nyadisiwa, gate ke lona hela ba le neng le re out of community of property. Kante mathata ga Theo ke eng?
Auntie.
A re o tla mo jela eng ka ga ana sepe? Bonang, ke kopa gore le seka le bola tsholetsa mantso wena neo le mmago. Na tota ke lapisiwa ke bobedi jwa lona bathong ka go tlhola le omana.
Mama ga ntse sentle, Auntie.
Au.
I wish Mama would just accept that I'm a married woman now. Yo le kaneng go itseela ditshwetso. Ke ka tswa ke ise ke nne le lelapa la me, but I'll have it one day in the not so distant future le gone.
Bo re wa bo bua
I
yang?
think people start somewhere, Mama.
Nna ebile kana ke mo dikganyeng tsa go tse di sesane tseo. Nna ne ke batla go tlhaloganya la sene ke suta go teleletse le sira wena le Theo go ga molaodi maabane.
Yes, we opted for out of community of property. It was a collective decision. Nna le Theo re itse gore re dirang. Please, can you and Papa just support our decision for a change?
Mma. Hele o re lekile la se bona kae? Ke na le 38 years, almost 40 years ke nyalane le rrago.
Wa simolla Mama.
Nna ke lanta ke uta diotse. Ruta go di dirwa ke ba humile di lawyer gore ba ska ba jewa ke ba side ha ba divorce. Rona re ha re tlhaloganye mma.
Then you should ask. You don't just say things that you don't have information about. But also, don't say things to Papa le bo malome about things you don't understand.
Ha isebe ke re hope sepe. That is why ke batla go uta ka wena gore wena wa reng. Kante wena malatsing a o nna hela o le montweng go rile.
Ga o ka ke wa motho a phoso mme kana maneo. Ga re tseo neo sentle. Mme nna ke sale ke buile, ke kgalema. Theo, ke monna wa gagwe jaanong o mo itlhophetse. Mme ebile ba na le ngwana tlhe bathong ke nako yaanong ya gore re gatele pele. We must move nyamma, we must move on, we must move on bathong. Re tswe mo dilong tse di fetileng.
Nora, kana ke tshwantse go araba go gore Raneo le bo malomagwe gore ga te go iragalang. Ke tshwantse go botsa gore ha ke araba be ke itse se ke buang ka sone. Le ta intshwarela bomma. Ha ke itse dilo tse tsa gore mongwe le mongwe o nna le sa gagwe mo lenyalong.
I hear you, Mama. But things have really changed since you got married. Theo and I have discussed this, and I understand why it is important that we do it. I could why it's we run a catering business, which we will be expanding after the wedding. In summary, dilo tsotlhe tsa rona di kwalwa ka nna. Mme business e kwalwa ka Theo. In case something happens go businessing, maybe e kolota and people take him to court, then we have separate liabilities.
Ke a goda.
Emma, then file gore go tsewa bontlo kana koloi, they'll only focus on the things in Theo's name. Tse di kwadilweng ka nna, di sa tsene mo teng. That can save our assets and allow us to take risks with the business as we try to grow it. Obviously, ga re ka ke ra dira dikoloto tsa bomo because we are out of community of property. But we have an opportunity to think outside the box ka business.
Okay. Nyametse ke dilo tsa rona tsa sesha tota. Nako a re nyalana le rrago. Ha ke gakologele dilo tse tsa bo out of community di le teng. Ha ke gakologele re budua sepe ha re ikaniswa go ga molaodi.
It probably is a new thing, Mama, but it has its own advantages. It's only that we don't give ourselves a chance to understand certain things. And as a result, we judge without knowledge.
Hey, Munyadi, how's it?
Like it.
Are you not getting married, Nera?
No, I am. Very. That ain't excited so ya stress am go kana it.
It has to be. My girl now is also so stressed. I think it's only natural. What's up?
Hela, tamancha ke la batho ba go ba go juise gore di tsa magae. Kana ra go thoka for lenyalo.
Ebile ne ke bua le bone phakela a re o bone madi.
Nice.
Transfer it's ene gone maabane immediately.
Okay.
But she only went to collect the money to do so. Go ra go rwa go a di shopong gone gompieno.
So that the international transfer ya orange money ya bereka ke re.
Rawe, that's what I rely on.
Okay. No, thanks for plugging me.
Hela, tla ra wena ebile mo romelle madi a transport. Your items are bulky. Ga di tshwane le lo tse a tlholang a dinthekela. which she just puts in a bag and then she uses public transport. For your items, she has to arrange for a van. So, my dear, short.
Oh, okay. No, let me do that right now.
Thank you so much.
Sure.
Convenience at your fingertips.
That's right. Eh, ka re o itse dilo ka
Hey,
bontsinyana ano.
la ha re tsile go duela gompieno, today lunch is on you.
Bathong kutlo. Extortion ya maphakela kana kana tswa ke yanong. Bona kana gape o nna ko lapeng ga o duele rent, you're making a saving.
But that comes at a huge cost to my freedom. I should be
Yeah.
out there on my own, mingling.
No, true that. Hey, like, actually, I should introduce you to my friend Thabo.
Nyaya. Isn't Thabo. Thabo ke ngwana o rata go tshameka. Anyway, bona rra, gona le auntie wa re ke sanso se monate gore and o khona go duela ka orange money duela easy, so no excuse.
Hey, la. Kana Thabo ke best man I'm when. And he's my best man because of my true. Gape kana if you're single, o tlhoka le motho ka go gakolla. I really think you two must get together.
Go ikete pele there, we get pele.
Hello, guys. It's your girl, Neo, now Mrs. Piluentle. Yesterday, I asked all the girls to gather here to cry with me. I want to do a live video so that we can interact. Because today's topic is very important. But I think my girls will benefit from it more. Not that men don't need it, just that I'll be sharing from a woman's perspective. I see some people already joining. Hello and welcome. Tell me where you're joining from. I see Francistown. Hello, Ghetto. How are you, girl? And how are the rains that side? We are with you in our prayers. Oh. Bloemfontein. Wow. City of flowers. I love Bloemfontein. Hi, girl. Today, I'll be sharing about my experience in the process of getting married. And in particular, I'll focus on the out-of-community regime. I'm not a lawyer, so I'll just be sharing what happened at home and how our perceptions of this arrangement were challenged. One day I'll arrange with a lawyer to break it down for all of us. My information is purely from a point of view of what our thoughts were with my husband when we opted for it. And just how things unfolded. Ugh, girls, it's been hectic. But let's go in right away.